Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping your iPad from offloading unused apps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Offloading unused apps is a feature that uninstalls apps automatically after a period of non-use. It keeps your saved data, but when you try to use the app again, it will have to re-download it before you can open it. If you don't have fast internet, this can be really annoying. To turn it off, open up the Settings app on your iPad. Scroll down and select App Store from the left sidebar. At the bottom of the App Store settings, there is an option called Offload Unused Apps. Disable this option to stop it from happening in the future. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPad tips and tricks.